Okay, today I'm gonna feed the seagulls. There's a million of them. The tide's like lower today, but it's coming back in. Ew, what'd you do? Nothing? Let's see. Seagulls, sing my seagull song. Water is very, very, very cold. Yeah, that's what I thought. Whoa, that was vicious. Eat my bread pieces. Eat them. Look how big they are. Seagulls are huge. They're like oversized chickens. There you go. Shut up. Let's give him one. Yeah. Where are the other ones at? They're like on the rocks. This isn't creepy at all. Shut up. Tweet, tweet! We're fat and we want food. Oh, damn. Hey, if you're gonna chase her away, eat it. Thank you. Come eat it out of my hand. No? There you go. They ain't gonna get close to me. Let's see if they follow me. Yeah, they're totally following me. Let's see. Oh my god, that's freezing. I'm gonna see if I can feed this one. She's like eating the rock. Yeah. Oh, it didn't touch me. Cool. Oh lord, that's gonna touch. Oh my god, that's freezing. Here you go. What? What?
There's those things over there where they
ooh, look at all the thingies.
Those thingies. Over there.
Yeah. I know what you're talking about. Here. Oh, there's something in there.
To see?
Ew, look, it went back in. Let's see. What is that? That's a thing with things on the end. I don't know. Oh, I just broke that. Whoops. There's like, I don't know. Where the seagulls go? There they are. Here you go. You ain't even gonna find that. Look, it's gone forever. Can't get through here. Look at all their tracks.
Oh, they're fighting.
Look at all these fat ones running over here. Mine, 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 mine. Here, fatty. Just kidding, you guys. Oh, that one just pooped. they doing that through their nose? I can't see any opening their mouths. Oh, oh, oh. Are you gonna get it? Yes, yes. Oh, nope. Oh, hush. Here, I only have a couple pieces left. Yeah, nobody's gonna get that close. There you go. He's still growing into his colors. Whoa, feisty. Let's go look. Whoa. Holy crap. Alright then. What'd you find? What'd you find?
Sea urchin things. That one right there was all open and it was almost.
Yeah, they're sticky when you touch them.
Gross.
I'm filming. I want to see if it won't move anymore.
It just stopped.
Go ahead and do it again.
Go away.
Hi, Shell.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Jacqueline.
Ew. This stuff is kind of gross. Look at her being all cool. Tweet. Ow. This rocks hurt.
Ooh, look at that.
Oh man, that feels weird. Like bones down in there or something. Cool. Nice and salty water. Oh, the seagull's still chilling. Here we are just sitting at camp. All these seagulls started, well actually there was only like 2 at first, but they're all coming in for some eat. There you go. Oh, you probably won't get that close, will you? Alright, fine. Hold on, let me throw it farther.
Now we get the trout.
Grumpy. There you go. Yeah. I have more.
Where's it?
Look at these guys. They're all like, we know you got it. Give it to us, bitch. Hey, give it back. Only have so much left. They'll probably eat us alive. I would not be surprised. Look at this, look at this. That guy right there, he's all like, meow. He gets more. What are you crying about? See if I can get one to that one way back there.
That one keeps feeling it.
Oh man, the other one chased him away. Alright, who's gonna come eat it from my finger? None of y'all. Oh. I think they get closer when there's like more of them around. Oh, what's this one doing?
Oops.
I don't know if we'll get that close.
I need to get those 3 bread.
Well, go get them.
But they're gonna all go away.
They'll come back. They'll freak out a little, but they'll come back. Oh, nuke. newcomer. I heard you have bagels. Aw. Ooh, we're surrounded. Here you go. Get it. Faggot. Get it. It's right there. Get it. Get it. Get it. Oh, no. Oh, Lord. Look at that. Look at this little thing. Doll. Hiyo, baby. Hi. Hi. Yeah, all the seagulls went way over there. Sandcastles. I build them in my sleep. Where, hey, where'd the bagel go? Give it back, freak.
Seagulls! Ow.
They'll come back over once we throw like a few pieces or whatever.
That was a bad throw.
Where's seagulls? Mine. Stop! It's not for you.
It's yummy.
I don't. Give it back. No more for you.
Can I throw some?
Yes. That's like all you get.
Yes.
Ever. Look at this guy. He's all like, I'm a seagull. I'm all stocky. Walking stocky. Stock. And look at those girls. They're gonna like run up here and be like, boys, get out of my way! Ah! Oh, maybe not. I guess he dominated that round. Oh, maybe that guy's gonna land. No, maybe not. We're gonna run out soon. Oh, whoa. He just landed like right in front of us. Isn't he cute? Wow, he's not scared at all, is he?
Nom.
No, you can't have any more.
Is there any more bagels in there?
No. No!
Ah!